Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking about some new items that I purchased from Glam Goth Beauty. Now I actually received these a couple of weeks ago. I purchased it with my own money, of course, but Marley, who is the Glam Goth, all her information will be popping up right here. Anyway, she owns her own beauty brand, and she came out with some merch. Now she's had hats and shirts and all that shit, but she came out with totes and these makeup bags, right? So they come in, I believe they come in 3 colors or 4 colors: black, pink, red, and blue. I'll leave the link down below in the description box if you want to go check out her store and get you one. These are, it feels like velvet. They're so pretty. Of course I got all the black on black on blackity black, okay? And this is what it looks like. Now of course I've already opened it, but let me pull all the stuff out. So all the things I ordered she just put into the bag itself. So let me pull all this out so I can show you what the bag looks like. Now this is called the, I think it's the Slayer, the Glam Slayer or some shit like that. Alright, random cut because I had to look it up. This is called the Elegant Slayer package. So it comes with this, it comes with the diamond primer, a knife, and a mirror, pretty sure. We're gonna see anyway. Oh, and some stickers and stuff. Anyway, so this is what the makeup case looks like. It's nice and big. And then it has this little separate pocket up here that zips. But what I really like about it the most is the feel. I love this velvet feel. It feels very luxe and it feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy. The material is really thick, so I do like that. And of course you can zip it up. It's got 2 zippers, so you don't have to worry about, like, if you mess up one zipper you have a backup, which I like double zippers because I tend to be rough with my stuff and sometimes I break shit. So it's very big. So you can carry a lot of your makeup when you travel in this bad boy, and it feels like it's going to stretch too. And it's got a nice sturdy bottom. I love this. It feels so good. I might buy another one just because it feels good. And this is great for, like, you can, like, you know, organize your makeup in these too, because right now I just have my makeup in, like, drawers and stuff like that. But I think maybe I'll invest in some more of these and, like, put one for lipstick, put one for mascara, eyeshadows, all that jazz. So that's the bag. And then inside the bag comes all your items. So what do we have first? Ooh, we have the knife. Did I say it comes with a knife? It comes with a knife. Now I'm not a huge weapons person, but I do like knives, okay? So when I saw this one, I was like, what makes this different than all the other shit, right? So this is how it comes. And what makes it different is this. Isn't that pretty? I love it's like raised on here. It's got a spider web, her Glam Goth logo, and it says Love Kills. And then of course right here it says Glam Goth. And then it pops up like this. Switch right here. And another thing that she said was the way that the knife is laid out is the way that she does her wings. So it says Glam Goth right there, and she says it's very sharp. So let's test that. Ooh, yes it is. Cutting through plastic like it's nothing. Ooh. Okay then. I was having the hardest time closing this, but Jeff showed me. Okay, so it goes like this. That's how it goes. That's how it opens. That little lever, and then there's this little latch right here. Apparently you push it down away from you, and that's what closes it. And you're not going to cut yourself because you that little lever's right there. So you move your hand and close it all the way. So let me show you one more time, because when I first got this, like, I was like, what the hell? Anyway, so like this, right? And then you push down the little lever and just like that. It's been a while since I've had a knife on me. My dad used to always tell me, now I'm from Chicago, right? But my dad used to always tell me a woman should always have a knife on her because you never know what's going to happen. So when I was a teenager and a young adult, before I moved from Chicago. I used to always have a knife on me, and it feels kind of nostalgic having another one. So, yeah, but if you get this, that's how you close it. Because I was looking, I'm like, how the hell do you close this? And I figured it out. Anyway, well, I didn't figure it out. Jeff helped me, but that's the knife. Super sharp. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so that came in the little box. Then you get the stickers. And then, of course, you have a picture of Mother herself. She's so pretty. Oh, I love her so much. Like, this is what I look like on the inside, you know? Like, this is, I love the glam. I love the darkness of it all. So pretty. She has great taste. Love it, love it, love it. I'm super excited about her Halloween collection because she always be dropping something cool during Halloween. So Halloween is coming up. Today is, what's today? Today is September 17th. So hopefully we'll be able to see her Halloween collection soon. Because whatever it is, I'm going to buy it. Y'all know I go hard for all her glitters. I have the Frankenstein glitter that I'm going to use in the next video. But yeah, so I'm ranting. So that's Marley. So those are those two things. Oh, and then she came out with the Bigger Better Diamond Primer. Now, this is my first time purchasing her primer because the last time when I purchased her glitters, she didn't have any in stock. So this came with the pack. And I believe all this was like $50. I'll leave it right here, how much I paid for this. So that's what it looks like. It's a clear primer. And she said what makes this different than a lot of glitter primers is that this dries with the glitter, so you don't have to like put the glitter glue on and wait for it to get tacky. You can immediately put the glitter on after this primer. I wonder if it works for shimmery eyeshadows too. I'm gonna try it out. Anyway, that's that. What else have we got here? And this should be the mirror. It is the mirror. Awesome. Okay, so this is the mirror. And now, immediately, I wish the handle was longer. I don't know if she has long-handled mirrors, but immediately looking at it, I wish the handle was longer. But besides that, so she's got her Glam Goth logo on it. Love it. It's also down here. And it's in the shape of a heart, obviously, you can see that. So I love that. It's a mirror, nothing special besides it's a mirror. And like I said, I just wish it had a longer handle. But now I can, you know, instead of using that little circle mirror that I have, you know, now I can, you know, see my whole face. Anyway. And then the mirror. And I do believe that's all it came with. So you get the bag. You get the bag. You get the knife. You get the primer. And you get the mirror. And then the stickers. Oh! Just found the sticker. It does come with one of the black stickers. It was stuck underneath here. So this is the sticker I'm talking about. Every order that I get from her, I get one of these. So I have like 3 right now. This will be my 4th one. I love these little stickers. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. Share this video because, you know, sharing is caring. And since you're here, you might as well watch some videos. So there they are, popping up right there, and right there, right there, and right there. Support your girl, okay? And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!